Hello all, good afternoon and welcome to Friday DIY series. So before we start, I would like to wish each and everyone a happy Eid and happy Akshay Tritiya. So stay blessed and enjoy your Eid celebration. So I will wait for few more people to join in and let me know if I am audible and visible. Hello Sunita. Hi Raminder, thank you for joining. Yes, today we are making lotion bar. So it is basically with 3 ingredients. So I am taking beeswax, then I'm taking mango butter, almond oil and vitamin E, because vitamin E will help our products from not going rancid. Okay, so it will prevent our products from going rancid. And essential oil of your choice. I'm taking Yang Yang essential oil. Okay, so let's begin. Hi Dina, hi Ankush. Yeah, we'll begin now. So the recipe is very simple. It is like 1:1:1. Okay, so 1 part of beeswax, 1 part of mango butter and 1 part of almond oil or any oil of your choice. Thank you so much. So we will take, I'm measuring 10 grams each of the ingredients which I mentioned just now. So let me just show you. So we'll take 10 grams of beeswax, so 10 grams of beeswax. Tare the scale and then let's add mango butter. So I'm adding 10 grams of mango butter. Grams of mango butter. We will first melt this on a double boiler. So I'm taking saucepan and we will keep this inside. Okay, I hope you can see. From where we will get beeswax? You can get beeswax from Amazon. Amazon has beeswax, so you can order it from there. If you want post live session, I can drop the link of where to buy it from. Yeah. Hi Rajashri. What is the spoon called which you are using now? So these are basically stainless steel spatulas which are for lab purpose, which I use normally in all my workshops. They were ordered from Amazon as well. So if you want the links, I will share it post the live session. Hi Chaitali. Yeah, thank you all for joining. So who have joined later, let me just repeat for you all what I had taken. I had taken 10 grams of beeswax, 10 grams of mango butter, and I will be taking, once this beeswax and mango butter is melted, I will be measuring 10 grams of almond oil. Okay, we will be adding in that vitamin E, which will work like an antioxidant and prevent our oils from going rancid. And optional is the essential oil. So I am using here Yang Yang essential oil. Okay, so yeah, so these were the lotion bars which I had made yesterday, and they're very easy to use. I'll just show you. So post shower or post washing hands, if you feel your hands are getting dry or body is dry, you can just take it in hand and then just gently massage it. With the help your body temperature, it will melt. Okay, see here, and it will help sealing and protecting the skin from dryness. Okay, so this is the way it is used. This was made yesterday, so I had popped up few and I'll show you this. See, isn't they very pretty? And there is no preservative or no any chemicals. It is even, you know, you are saving plastic also. You are not using any plastic, so it is good for our environment as well. I'll just remove what I've made until this is melting. See here, yes, you can see this will take couple of minutes and then it will be ready. Thank you. So here are the lotion bars which I had made yesterday. So they are very good for gifting as well. We'll just give it a stir and then again put in a double boiler. Okay. If you have any questions, just drop me how to store them. You can just wrap it in the butter paper and store it in your glass jar. So whenever you want one, you can just remove it and use it basically. Hello all who have joined. So to people who have joined now, again I'm repeating one more time. 1 part of beeswax, 1 part of mango butter and 1 part of almond oil. So what I have measured currently is 10 grams of beeswax, 10 grams of mango butter and 10 almond oil is yet to be measured. I will add to it once it is completely melted. Okay. Yeah. There are few particles yet to be melted, so you have to melt it nicely and then only pour it in the container. No, then there will be graininess of the butter and even wax will be, seen. Hi Payal, hi Meenal, hi Rajashri. Yeah, we are almost done here. So once it is melted, keep your molds ready because it will tend to set very fast. So keep everything handy and whatever we are going to add, it should be very quick. So almond oil, we'll be adding now 10 grams of this and I'll add 1 gram of vitamin E. Yes, this is almost melted. So now I will add 10 grams of almond oil. Okay, I'll just keep it for 1 more minute so everything is nicely incorporated, and when we switch off the gas, that's the time we add vitamin E and our essential oil. Hi Mona, can the lotion bars be used on face? Yes, you can use it on face, there is no problem, but only people who have like dry skin use because for oily skin it may be little bit greasy. So for dry skin people, of course, for the face also it can be used. Yeah, so this is completely melted. Now I'm adding vitamin E. One gram. And couple of drops. I'm adding only 5 to 6 drops of Yang Yang essential oil. Okay, and stir it nicely. Wow, it's smelling very nice. and let's pour it. So these are silicone molds, and they are heart shapes. They are very cute. So this is. So you can make with 10 grams, you can make at least 7 small heart shaped lotion bars. Vitamin E capsules, yes, if the proper vitamin E is not available, then you can use capsules as well, but I would advise order vitamin E from good sites, either in Amazon. I'll share all the links post session on Insta as well. This video will be stored for your later usage, so you can have a look at it. Yang Yang is your favorite. Yeah, I love Yang Yang. I love the smell of it. It's very re-energizing, and the senses. It's really awesome. Okay, so these were our lotion bars which were made yesterday, and I'll just show you one. I'll just show you on this hand now. So see here, with the help of a body temperature will help to melt it. So gently massage, and so it can penetrate. Okay, yeah. Thank you all for joining, and this video will be available after some time on IGTV. So have a look at it. If you have any questions, just drop me a message and I'll be answering it. Thank you all. Yeah, take care.